Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing some Gel X nails with some nail art as well. We're going to get straight into it, and all the products that I'm using here today are going to be linked in the description below. So I start off with buffing my natural nail, just making sure all the shine is gone off of the nail, and I'm going to do that to all my nails. After that, I like to go in with my drill bit. It's like really small, it looks like a football, but I go around my whole cuticle area with that, just getting away all the dead skin and shine from my cuticle area, just so I don't get any lifting with my nails. And I'm going to be going for a almond shaped nail this time. I don't know why I've been loving the almond shape. So I got these soft covered gel nail extensions in the shape almond, and they're pre-etched on the inside, so I don't have to go in with my drill. If it was any other nail extension that didn't have the insides etched, of course I'd have to go in with my drill and etch them myself. Sorry for it being a little blurry, but this is what I was telling you guys about it being pre-etched on the inside. After I'm done buffing my nails, I like to go in with my dehydrator and primer, and that just makes sure that your set is going to be very, very secure and it's not going to pop off. It's just going to take off all the extra shine and oils that your nail naturally has. And once the dehydrator is dry, I like to go in with my primer right after. And I like to do one hand at a time because I noticed that the primer is really sticky. So I like to do one hand at a time. That way I don't get any like lint or dust on the other hand while I'm doing the other hand, if that makes sense. So yeah. Now I'm going in with my Beetles nail glue with my mini Beetles lamp, and I'm just going to take that and put it a very, very thin layer onto the nail and also in the nail that I'm going to attach. And after I do that, I'm going to add a mini bead onto the edge where the cuticle is going to be. And then I'm going to place that there and slide it from the cuticle up. You're going to see it in a second. Y'all, my next video, the angles are going to be better. Please bear with me. But I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to slide it under that light and cure it for I think it does it for 60 seconds. And then once that's finished, I just slide over into the big lamp. But this is what it looks like when I slide out the little lamp. Yeah, we look good. Yeah. So I'm going to do my whole set of set of nails. Lord have mercy. But then I do that, and then I just slide it into the big lamp so it cures properly. So yeah. Once out the big lamp, I like to also go back with my drill around the cuticle area just in case I got any glue spill out. I like to clean that up and make sure that area is neat and seamless and very flushed. It also helps with lifting because if there's glue spilled over, that will definitely cause lifting eventually when your nails start to grow out. After doing that, I like to go in with my buffer just to buff the shine off of all the nails before I put my base coat on, and then cure it under the lamp for like 60 seconds. Before I do put on the base coat though, I do like to shape my nails. They were a bit too long for me, and I could not work with these long behind nails. So I had to make sure I got them to my preferred length. I have them at about like a medium short-ish kind of length now, so I'm just shaping them up really, really well before I put my base coat on. Now she don't like him, she never met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him. He won't let him, he don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me, she don't agree with him. She's mad at that, he's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon, the friends tagging along. The flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse. And this is what they look like once I am done shaping up before I put the base coat on. Neat and perfect. Bitch burn, red or green pill, you live and you learn, come on. You gotta throw in your 5 minutes for this one. Your bitch won't party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got that bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Fuck eating a lane, fuck the brain. No one saying insane. OMG, y'all, this pink, the shade color is B072. It's like the most prettiest bubblegum natural pink ever. Like, I only had to use 2 coats of this and it got my nails like so pretty. Like, it's a beautiful base. Definitely check that out. I have it linked in the description as well. Do y'all see how pretty this is? Like, just look at the material. It's so cute. I really wanted to leave it the way it is now, but you know, me being me, I really wanted something, you know, bright and cute for the new year, because I did this on New Year's Eve. So I went in with this electric blue. Lord. I went in with this electric blue. I'm also going to have that linked in the description as well. Everything that you guys see me using in this video is going to be linked in the description. But it's so easy to use these because, like, the brush that they have, oh my gosh, bro, anybody could do nail art with these. I'm telling you, I'm not even exaggerating. This is not paid. I'm telling you, anybody, the way they have these brushes set up, it's so easy to do nail art with. I promise. I also do want to point out that usually when I am doing my nail art, I like to just cure the finger one by one, but because it was just so easy doing it like this, and I know chances of me messing it up was going to be very, very slim because I wasn't using like regular nail brushes, I just went ahead and I was just being risky. So I just went ahead and did all of them in the lamp except for my thumb. Of course, I had to do that on a separate occasion after I did the rest of my 4 fingers, of course. But yeah, I went ahead and did all of those and then cured them. And this is the final result. I hope you guys love the nailies. I did 2 different designs on each hand. I never do the same design ever at all. I don't know why. I just never do. But these are how the nails came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.